Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the paper size and type. This matters for margins and feed. Remove any old or warped sheets and fan the stack so pages separate. Once done, match the paper orientation to the tray icons. Make sure printable side faces down or up as indicated. Adjust the width guides snugly against the stack to prevent skew. You should hear or feel the paper rest flat. That tells you the tray is ready to load. Next, slide the adjustable guides to the correct paper width, so the stack sits centered without bending. Gently insert the stack into the tray until it hits the physical stop. If it requires force, back out and realign. Once the paper is seated, set the paper type and size on the printer control panel or in your print driver so sensors use the right feed and drying settings. Make sure the guides still allow free movement of the top sheet for reliable feeding. Close the tray fully so sensors detect the paper, lock any latches. You should print a one-page test to confirm alignment, margins, and duplex direction if you plan double-sided printing. Inspect the output for skew, smudges, or multi-feed. If you see problems, pause and remove the stack, fan the sheets more, realign guides, and ensure no torn or curled pages. One troubleshooting tip: if feeder consistently grabs multiple sheets, use fewer sheets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.